Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a feature of an Excel through which you can convert a single column into the multiple columns. And I'm going to explain this feature with few examples. So let's get started. In the screen you can see there is a column here which contains the alphabets. Okay, so this is basically three names: first name, second name, and last name. That is Henry, Richard, Go. That is, first name is Henry, Richard is middle name, and the last name is Go. So I want first column should contain Henry, second column should contain Richard, and the third column should contain the Go. That is last name. So how should I do that? It's very simple. You have to go to select the whole column and then go to the data from here on the top and then go to the text to column. After selecting that, keep the selection as delimited. Then go to next. Now you can see that each name is separated by the space, that is Henry space, Richard space, Go. Same thing here, Bertie space 10 space bold. Okay, so I will unselect this other and I will select space so that after space there will be separation in the column. Okay, and Henry will be in first column, Richard will be in second column, last name Go will be in the last column. So say next and press the button finish. Whoa, so you got the result in three different columns. Okay, so we'll move to the next example. In the second example there is an alphanumerical column in which there are numericals and the alphabets also. So I want to convert, or I want to differentiate, or I want to convert this one column into two columns, and in one column it should contain only numericals and in one column it should contain only alphabets. So how can I do that? Select this whole column, go to text column again, keep the selection delimited, say next. Now remove this selection of space, and now we can see that numericals are separated by alphabets with the help of dash. You can see everywhere there is a dash. So what I will do, I will select dash other and I will put dash here in this block, and I will say next and say finish. Now you can see that this column contains only numericals and this column contains alphabets only. So this thing works like that. Now we'll move to the next example. This example contains the alphabets only, but these also alphabets are not similar or separated by anything. So in this case I would like to keep the first digit in one column, keep the second digit in one column, and remaining digit alphabets in the leftover column. So how to do that? Again, select the column, go to text column, and here select fixed width. Okay, and go to next. Now here what you have to do is click on the blank here and hold that arrow and drag it to the in between the first and second digit and leave it here. Again, go to the blank here, select it, an arrow will appear, hold that arrow and drag it to the second and leave it in between second and third digits. Okay, so you will have three columns, which the first column would contain the first digits, second would contain second digits, and third column will contain the leftovers. Okay, so the next, so finish. Okay, the first digits are in one column, second digits in second column, leftovers in the third column. Same thing you can do with the numericals also, I'll go the same, fixed width. Next, I'll hold this arrow, I'll put it here. After first, I'll put that second. After, I'll take three digits in it. I'll say next, finish. See, I had kept one column, one digits in one column, three digits in second column, and leftovers in the third column. So I hope you understand the video, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.